Okay, so to start, you need some lukewarm water. It all depends on how much dough you're planning on making. And you want to add some yeast to it. I'm going to add some of that in. Now to that yeast, you want to add sugar to it. Mixture of brown and white sugar. And now we're going to give it a stir. And now what we're going to do is we're going to let that sit. And as we let it sit, the yeast is going to do its magic and it should start bubbling up. This is what it should look like. Nice and bubbly. Smells like bread. Alternatively, you can, if you have beer, you can use beer because beer has some yeast in it. Now is when it gets messy. To that, you want to add your flour. And to that mixture, I'm going to add salt. And also some pepper. So here's what we have. Now you just gotta work it. Work it, honey. So as you can see, I was able to fit a rock in there pretty decently. So I got that spot open. So I'm gonna be able to fit my dough in there. I'm gonna keep it in this pot. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Boom, it expanded a little bit. Not a whole lot, but that's pretty good. It's nice and soft. So now is when I gotta play with it for a while. Got a nicely kneaded up dough, rounded it nicely. I'm gonna let that sit for a bit longer, see what happens, and then cut her in half. Gotta build this flame back up. Look at that. That swelled up about maybe twice its size. So I'm gonna cut that in half and cook it right now. I got 2 little puff balls in there. I got this left over. These out to get this out. Turn this around like that. Perfect. Gonna use this to lift that up. Look at how nice and soft these are. Ooh. I'm not saying this just because I'm recording this. This is one of the best. One of the best pieces of doughy bread I have ever had.